Hi, I'm Alessandro Scaglione, keyboard player from PFM, Premiata Forneria Marconi, orchestra conductor and AV artist. I come from classical music. I study piano and then orchestral conducting and arrangement, and I bring these experiences as personal characteristics into the sound of the band. On stage, I play a lot of sounds ranging from orchestral instruments to leads and pads, rock style. But I'm also a producer, so I work in my studio, and there I prefer to switch to a more electronical sound for a lot of production about dance shows, contemporary dance shows, and interactive installations. So I'm immersed in a wide range of sounds. When I'm starting designing a sound, I usually start from looking for a preset that sounds similar to what I'm looking for. And then I start making changes, adding layers, and often it ends up in a completely different sound from the one I started from. And when I use FMX synthesis instead, I prefer to start from scratch, like I did with the minus lead. I like to explore different kinds of sounds, from the electronic sound of the studio to the rock sound of the live stage. So I use the MODX6 Plus in all these occasions, and I'm really happy with that. My name is Alessandro Scaglione. You will find my sounds on soundmondo.com.